Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the stainless steel shower trays that we put in our van conversions. Now, a few years ago, we decided to move away from plastic and fiberglass trays to the custom stainless steel trays for a number of reasons, which I'm going to go through. The first is durability. So the plastic shower trays that are on the market, some of them can crack over time because they're being used lots and lots in the vans. And what you don't want in a shower cubicle is any risk of any leaking, because that's going to get through to the subfloor and cause long-term damp and damage to the plywood. That's the foundations of your van. So with a stainless steel tray, there's not that risk of it happening. Another thing that's really great is obviously we can powder coat this to any colour, whether that's white, black, green, so you get a bit more customization in terms of the look of the actual shower tray. The positioning of the waste hole, we can also determine whereabouts on the tray we want that waste to be located. So if your shower cubicle is in a specific location in the van, we can make sure that the waste hole isn't going to be through a chassis member underneath the van. And the final thing is it's customizable in terms of the shape. So this is our Kunu Layout shower tray, and it's got the 45-degree angle. It basically fits the entirety of the shower cubicle, which is really good because unlike a traditional square shower tray, it wouldn't fit the whole floor space. So you'd have to build an additional platform or step in the cubicle, which takes up space and also increases the risk of leaks from silicone failing and movement on that step as well. What we'll do is we'll have a look inside the van at what this looks like inside the cubicle, and also a bit about the design process on the CAD, and show you some different shapes of shower tray. Looking at the SketchUp model here, I've got two examples of different shower cubicles. The one on the left is for our Volkswagen Crafter, and the one on the right is for the Fiat Ducato that we've seen inside the van. One of the benefits of the stainless steel tray is we can actually make the shape of the tray to fit the size of the cubicle exactly. So you can see it lines up with the edges of the shower cubicle, meaning that you don't have to build additional bits of platform and waterproof those. Your entire shower cubicle floor is covered by a tray, which is really good. As previously mentioned, the waste position, we can change that to suit the chassis members of the vehicle underneath the van and where the shower cubicle is going to be located. But yeah, it's really useful to be able to draw the shower tray in this SketchUp software, and we could then forward that shower tray to our fabricator to have fabricated and sent back to us ready for powder. So looking at the Fiat Ducato, you can see the shower cubicle has been built out. We've put the Rico style wall panels in to look like metro tiles, and you can look at the shower tray here and in practice how it fits within the cubicle. Because it's a custom stainless tray, you've got maximum floor space, and the panels on the side, they sit on top of this flange here. There'll be a bead of silicone, obviously. Minimal risk of leaks, no risks of like any cracks happening, because it's obviously very durable material. And then the waste drain there obviously can be located where you wish, where it fits underneath the van, missing the chassis members. So yeah, really happy with how it fits inside this cubicle. Let's go and have a look at the Crafter at the different shape. So looking into the Craft conversion, you can see the shower cubicle's been built out. This is a slightly wider shower cubicle with a different shaped angle piece on it. The customer wanted a big cubicle so that their toilet could remain in the shower, fixed in whilst they're using it. Obviously looking at the shape of the shower tray, you can see there's no lost floor space inside the cubicle. It fits to the wall shape nicely, just needs a little bit of silicone to be finished off. Again, we're using the white Rico metro panels, and this customer opted for an additional bit of storage inside, so we've put a little niche on there. So yeah, hope you found it useful. Again, just showing you the shower trays that we have made, and how we fit them into our conversions. Thank you for watching this video showing why we use stainless steel shower trays in our van conversions. I hope you found it useful. We do have some plans on our website showing how we build out the shower cubicles, so head on over to that if you're interested. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and I look forward to showing you more content in the future.